and overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 11, verse 10 to 11. These are the generations of Shem. Shem was 100 years old and begat Arsapad 2 years after the flood. And Shem lived after he begat Arsapad 500 years and begat sons and daughters. So, this is the time that after the flood, Shem already had his own children. And in this verse, we will realize that Arsapad is the firstborn. And this means that the responsibility of Arsapad is in following the footstep of his father. See, if we see the whole verse, the other children of Shem was not mentioned, only Arsapad. Meaning, if you are a firstborn of your father, there is a responsibility for you to follow the footstep of your father in serving God. And just like your father, you will imitate him in serving God, in serving the real God, and sooner or later, you will pass that legacy to your children, and they too will serve God. And it became a generation of priesthood.